Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after installing this update, that is KB5063878 on your Windows 11 computer, if the printer is not working, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, for now you can uninstall this update. So you can go to Windows Update, then click on Update History, scroll down, click on Uninstall Updates over here, and then you will see this KB5063878. Now click on Uninstall. Now, uninstalling Windows Update is not recommended. However, after installing this update, if the printer is not working and if you want to uninstall this update, then you can uninstall this update. So click on uninstall over here and let the uninstall complete. Now, once the uninstall is complete, now click on restart now. Restart is a must, so restart your computer. Now, after the system restart, so immediately after the system restart, go to Windows Update and then turn off the option which says get the latest update as soon as they are available. If this is on, turn it off and then you can pause the update. You can pause the update for maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. So just pause the update and then you can stop that automatic install of that particular update. Now in future, whenever you want to install the latest update in future, you can always click on resume update. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.